Good morning. It is 10:15 a.m. Tuesday, February 7th, 2017. I am sitting on a chair under the carport in my backyard singing in the rain, back by popular demand. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for rain. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing in the rain. Well, have a blessed day.